Hi guys, and welcome to Cooking with Karma. Now today I've got a quick and simple one for you. It's chocolate nut clusters. They're super easy to make. You only need a handful of ingredients to make them, and they literally take about 5 minutes. They're absolutely delicious, so I really hope you like them. Let's get started and I'll show you how to make them. First up, into a pan on medium to high heat, we're going to add in the coconut oil, the maple syrup, and the cacao powder. Then mix together until everything is melted and well combined. Once the mixture starts to boil, we're going to boil that for 1 minute, making sure to stir continually until the mixture starts to thicken. After a minute, we're going to take that off the heat and add in the peanut butter and the vanilla, and mix until that peanut butter is melted and incorporated through the rest of the mixture. Then all we need to do is add in the nuts and mix until all the nuts are well coated. Spoon some mixture onto a baking tray, then simply shape them with clean hands. Once they're all done, we're going to pop those into the fridge for about an hour to set. After an hour, they're ready to eat. Just the right amount of chocolatey sweetness combined with that delicious peanut flavour. And so simple to make, you'll have these whipped up in no time, so I really hope you give them a go. Thanks again for joining me, have a wonderful week, and I'll see you all next time on Cooking with Karma. And of course, if you haven't seen my last video, make sure you click the link to watch it.